What is going on, guys? Today's video, we're going to be showing you how you can get really good audio quality within this small little microphone. This retails for about $30. Prefer wireless. This is the cheapest wireless microphone you can get. It's plug and play, so you can easily plug it into your smartphone. This is for Android and iPhone as well. And you got cool modes like this. But in this video, I'll be also showing you, in this video, I'll also be showing you the background noise isolation test as well as overall performance and if you should get this or not. Without further ado, let's get in the video. This will be helpful for TikToks or just quick videos on your phone or whatever. It's a plug and play style, 20 meters of reception, precise radio, clear timbre, high sensitivity, widely compatible. So very cool. Hard shell, maybe like a softer shell. Comes in this carrying case. You have the contents in here. So you have the microphone right there. All right, and then you have the little part that goes to your phone. It comes with a pair of headphones. It's a Type-C port. You also have a microphone on here as well as a volume up and down rocker. You also have your charging cable. User manual right here. So you have basically everything. Should have an LED indicator. It has a wind muff and you just have more information here. Maybe you can plug it into here. I'm guessing. I'm going to try that out. See if it works because I don't know where that's going to go in. I'm just going to have it handheld, I guess. But right now we're in the blue mode, which should be normal. Green is noise cancellation and then the blue and green flash means it's on a weird effect like you've seen in the intro. We're gonna go and do the background sound test, so just do this. So this is on normal mode without noise isolation or whatever background noise. This is the green mode, as you can see. So you just press it another time on the button to turn it on and off. Just press it once and now it's in the green mode. So if it does a little bit better job of the fan, I do have a fan literally right next to us, so you'll be able to see how good it is or not. It's pointed right at the microphone too, so this is worst case scenario. And for fun, you can hear this as well. It's the ideal one that you would want to use because it sounds a lot better. It's crisper, it's meant for vocalizing. And the second one kind of distorts that because it has a different mode. There's a car in the background right now, so I don't know if you're able to hear that, but it does distort a little bit, so it makes it a little bit iffy. But the sound quality on this is actually really good, surprisingly. Only if you have it like roughly this close. If you have it attached to your shirt, which I will do right now, as you can see, it kind of drags even with the tank top I have on right now. Not very good, so the clip sucks. Not even too sure, but I found the best sound quality is you have to get really, really close up. So it's like a very not so sensitive microphone. You have to be really, really close up to it. So if you want to monitor your audio, you can use that port right there. Has a light there as well. I had to redo this twice because the audio didn't connect for whatever reason, which sucks because it says a blue indicator on both of them. So I don't know what that was about. Audio quality is good. You have to have it close up. The green mode, it cuts off everything. So they probably have like a weird editor that just drops like from 50K kilohertz and down. And it does a really bad job at it. It's just like a rough cut. It's not even a smooth cut. It's just boom. Just like that. Like whenever you stop talking, it just drops everything down, which sucks. Change the modes actually. Just press the power button once and it'll cycle through all of those modes. For something like this, Rode Wireless, $200. That does a good job, obviously. Sounds really, really good. No issues with that. $170 cheaper. This is the audio quality and just performance you would get. So it's pretty good. I wouldn't compare it because I already know the Rode Wireless Go is better. If you want to see more higher end, I have a Comica versus a Rode Wireless Go video coming up very, very soon. Actually, this video, Comica channel sponsor, will be coming out for the unboxing video portion of that. So stay subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.